So one of the terms that I rank for on YouTube is actually CTR manipulation. It's been going on for over a year. I rank for that term. No one's been able to knock me off of first place.
I ain't gonna stand down. I never stand down.
So one of the things I find funny is people sell CTR manipulation courses, but yet they can't rank for the term CTR manipulation in the top 3 on YouTube or even in Google. So let's go ahead and take a look. So we're in incognito. For those of you that don't know how to do it, go into incognito just to see, and on a VPN. So right now we're actually located in Dallas, if you will. Where is William O. Jones, ranking at? We want to see that. And we're going to check this out. So top results are number 1 is William. Number 2 is a Tony Peacock. This is a new video that I just launched not even a day ago. And already ranking 3. Got my biggest fan at number 4. Got Craig Campbell number 5. Another guy at 6. Me at 7. Fat Rank at 8. Craig Semantic Mastery down here. This one. Chris down here. Another one down here. Another one down here. So as you can see, we're at number 1 here. We've been here for a while. So I think what I'm going to do to give everybody a head start, I'm going to go ahead and delete this video. And I'm going to delete it because number 1, I don't promote the tool anymore that I was promoting in this video because, simply put, it just does not work. I've had a lot of people asking me about it. I don't use it anymore, and I don't use it because it simply doesn't work anymore.
Be gone, fuck!
I'm using some other tools that do work. So let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a head start. We're going to do this live. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go down here to this video, and I'm going to delete it.
No! God, please, no! No!
7,000 or 8,000 views on it. And we're going to delete it. That should give some people some help. I'm not even going to download the bitch. Let's go ahead and delete that thing. Voila. Alright, so let's see if that will give them a head start and try to get the spot 1 that I used to hold and see if they can outrank me and get up there and take CTR manipulation. So we deleted it. As you can see, Tony's moved up 1. Old JJ, number 1 fan, is at number 2. And this video I just did is at number 3. So we're going to see if we could take that video and outrank everybody that's here. Alright, I'll let you know.
I have so many SEOs that hate me and say that I'm stealing their methods. They bitching and cry, labeling me SEO Black Hat. I was a nobody, now I'm at the top. Most wanted, most loved, bad business owners, and hated by most.